Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
So you know Spice and our baby daddy drama, something we are going on social media for quite a while now. Them spark up, then them calm down, then them spark up again. And right now it seems to start again. Now Spice basically come out and blast her baby father just because he make an Instagram post, allegedly. Right? And in this blast, Spice basically have a message for Uno woman as well. Spice basically I tell you say, yo, be careful of certain man where you pick up, because she, for example, is like she pick up a all house where always want to tumble down pan her. Spice words, not mine. But without any more long talking, I'm going to make you hear what Spice have to say. But before that, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turning on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified.
You know I'm ignorant and stay ready. I have to let off the steam. Come on, when I lie down in my bed tonight, I can't sleep. So I have to talk about it from early because I take long for cool down. So I make sure I talk about it from now. So when I lie down in my bed, I can't sleep properly. You listen to me and make me talk from experience. You see, when you lie down in a bed and you're ready for go have sex with a man, make sure you know who you have sex with. You hear me I tell you now? Make sure you know who you have sex with, because when you have sex with somebody, you don't know if picnic will come. And when the picnic come out, you stay with a man for the rest of your life. A problem, because I tell you, say, I take up a whole house and it come like it out, if you broke me back. Why you want to be that guy? Most of them don't have a clue when I talk about this. Is a video Jamaican, they know what I'm going. Somebody sent me a post a while ago and say, my kids them father make one post. I say, same thing when always I say, me I hide my son from him or whatever. My son have a phone, him have my son number. Few months ago, the man text me and say, listen, we need to have done all of this foolishness. I want to see my kids them ask them and cough at corona come and him know if him get dead. Remember, I really like him and my favorite cup of tea. I remember me as a single mother, I do everything for my kids by myself. I never put him on child support. I care what people I tell me about. I'm wicked and I put him on child support. I don't need to put him on child support because God bless me to take care of my kids them and I count my blessings. So I don't put nobody on child support. If you feel like you don't want to support your child, you're a problem. I have to go on grateful and to give God thanks so me can support them. So I don't put you on a child support. You call and say, you want everything be bygones, and you have my number now, so you have me on my WhatsApp. You have Nicholas' number, you know Nicholas have a phone. You call Nicholas, you can't get Nicholas. Since as I say you want to be a big man, you not text me as the mother and say, what going with Nicholas, or Nicholas a text me and it's strange, because you claim say, him a text and it looks strange like me have him phone. And me no want, him no want to talk. What about fuck, we always talk foolishness. You always attack foolishness. You a text him and he no look like a him a text. And he look like somebody a text and a delete. And you always attack foolishness. You get up and post for your Instagram and come talk about, oh, mother no want, Tom drunk but Tom no fool. Because them no want Nicholas talk to sister. You's a wicked dirty man. You's a wicked man. You have to stop it. Stop it, man. You say you want to stop it, so stop it. What? With them set you for me. You come like a big holos. You don't text me and say, Grace, what is going on? Because I'm calling Nicholas and I can't get through to him. Since I have to teach you to be a man. Because when me did there, you never know if you be a man. That's something I want to come out with that up your my face for. Up under my eye. You know, text and say, Grace, what is going on with Nicholas? Because me I text him and me can't get him. Or the text look weird or whatever. Let me tell you, say Nicholas not there, yeah. Nicholas not there, yeah. Nicholas not there, yeah. You gone on Instagram and make posts and you don't know about nothing. You have me on WhatsApp now. You have me on WhatsApp now. Me I try be a, you know nothing no good about me that mouth. You know nothing no good about me mouth. You know how me stay. But me I try. You know, text me as the mother and ask what I want. Cause remember when September morning come, you not text me, you not call me. Remember when Christmas come and present for go on the tree, your name no under there, your name no there. You not call and you not post nothing. So you not buy nothing. September morning come, when you hold it for title school fee how much $1 million. You not call, you not post, you not go for Instagram and say nothing. You do like you don't know. When uniform to buy, you do like you don't know. When socks to buy, you do like you don't know. When shoes to buy, you do like you say you don't know, you not hear. When September morning come, you not hear from you. When book to buy, you not hear from you. You not go on Instagram and post, say you know say book list come. Remember say you not idiot, you know say book list come every September morning. When January morning come and them want new shoes, you know say the uniform not update. Me not see a post on Instagram and I say, this for update and that. But everything you quick to bring me down. Who make me go lie down with you? Everything you quick to bring me down. And you know, do nothing for you to pin them. And your sister as a single mother, me a struggle and try with the pin them. And you see me pin them past the worst my son at 30 years old. You don't love me, man. You always want me get ignorant and go up on Instagram. You don't leave me alone. What me do to you, wicked man? What me do to you? That's why me I want to mind and care for. Wait. Make sure you know who not lie down with. Text something there for me and say me so call him back. I call on my phone. Be careful who not lie down with and be careful who not make coming out, you know. Because I thought one big forever crosses. Them are one big, them I say calm down and explain me for breathe me. Lisa Anna, we cannot breathe. Me for calm down and explain. My kids for them come like one perplex, the man come like one something lie down on my back. Me don't know what kind of old house this me have a travel for my shoulder years, span for years. When something good for happen, when you do nothing for the kids, them me not hear from you. Me one and God, me pinning them there Atlanta. How much money now on quarantine? Me not hear ya. Hey, you know how much food, hey. You know how much things and food and things you pinning them one, this, them one. Me not see a post by Instagram and I say, boy, me pinning them lock up at Atlanta. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to. You're there America now, me not see you. And one time you come here, come look for them. But you call the picnic last night and you claim that the picnic I text like I know him and me I take with phone from the picnic and me I text to the picnic. Your picnic not there, yeah. Nicholas not there, yeah. You know, text me as a big man, text me as the mother. I said, Grace, what happened to Nicholas, this happened or whatever. Well, you gone on Instagram can post because that's your energy, you love hype, you love clout. And you claim say you want to be a big man now. Text me as the mother to find out what's going on. Now run up on Instagram because you always want to tear me down. You want people to have bad things to say about me. You don't have nothing good to say about me. But yet still I'm me one Jesus and God. I take care of your two pitney them. Love me no man. Love me. Leave me alone. Big man, come off of my back. Let me walk and can't stand up and breathe. Come off of my back. Jesus Christ, man. When me do you in a life, so come off of my back. You don't have nothing. Nicholas not there, yeah. Me not have no phone. Nicholas have him phone. If you want, you call him on WhatsApp. Call him, video call him. Me pack up for leave. Look, come like say, somebody where me, cause you not send me DM. You not screenshot to my baby father. Say so screenshot this and go tell me baby father. Say see there, my house empty up. Everything I clear out. I move. So when me I tell you, see there. See there, the house empty. Nicholas not there, yeah. I want to call me baby father and tell him, say the house empty. Tell him, say Nicholas not there, you see it there. Hold on, come like, anybody want to screenshot this and say, go give me baby father. See the room here. Nicholas! Nicholas not there, yeah. Him not here. Me not have no phone to hide. Me not take no phone from no picnic. Me not try stop nobody from talk to no picnic. Nicholas is not here. So no send it, go tell me baby father do. Call him and tell him. Say your baby mother say Nicholas not there, yeah. Me Jesus Christ. So no careful who not lie down with me. I tell you no because I want next decade what a problem I got to on the back. You nobody make the same mistake when me I make. Careful who not sex with, careful who are coming on. You can't say me never want you, you can't stay there laugh. You can't say me never want you, so you stay there laugh. Me not take the phone from Nicholas. Me not hide Nicholas. Nicholas have him on a phone, look a boy probably play a game with the boy, them and I don't want to talk to nobody car. When Nicholas play a game and I play football and I play this, not even me, him not even stop to talk to him. I say the game, I go dead in the game and all kind of something. Why it have to be me I take the phone from him? All him man and them say Nicholas not there, yeah. So man. And some could have terrible so. Man could have awful so. If you come out from my back now, man. Come out from back and love me, man. Love me now, no, man. Love me now, man. I can talk all kind of things about you, but this is not about it. I just try to show you. So enough time you get up on the internet and you want me to talk all kind of things and you just provoke my spirit, you provoke me come, you provoke me go, because you want me to talk all kind of things and you have the worst things to say. Nicholas not there, yeah. Him not in here, him not there, yeah. Me not hide him now when me not have no phone or take from him. Nicholas not there, yeah. I don't play a game with the little boy time. I say the little boy gonna have little fun somewhere. The little boy there somebody yard. No, house a tear down. The things them a move out, the kids them not here. So I wanna give my baby father the message. Me I beg you, please. I wanna have a good day. Lisa Hannah, I love you. Big up yourself, mama. I can't do like you, no. Come here, two different class fish. When you can calm down and talk and be resilient, I'm nice. I don't know if you do it, I don't know. I give me ignorant. I don't know if you calm down. So nobody come call me and tell me, sir. You tell me, I tell you not to do those stuff. I can't sleep in my bed. Because the man tell life on me. I let off the steam the way me ignorant I boil up in me. I don't want dead in my sleep the way me ignorant. Yo.
Now the only thing with me personally have to say is big up to Spice and being a good mother and taking care of her kids. You understand? And doing whatever it takes to make sure say our kids are happy and they are properly maintained. Right? Thumbs up to Spice for that one day. Now as far as the baby father goes, yo, my thing is this still. If you feel like somebody did use your son's phone, you not just simply call to see if him, and if you call and you don't get no answer, you just say, alright then, breeze that off a little bit and call again. You understand? Before going and blasting Spice or whoever you blast, if you did actually post nothing to your Instagram. You understand? That is what I would have done, right? If me a text, I feel like somebody else a text and not the person who me a try to text. Then, I would have just simply call to confirm, right? Talk to me down below if you think what me say makes sense or not. Alright, comment in the comment section. More to hear your opinion on this one. Until the next video, no matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.